Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Gina here, and I am going to be doing some product knowledge today, a little Monat 101. So I just want to go over the different shampoos that we offer in the conditioners and which products you guys need for your actual hair type. These are not a one for all, so you cannot just go to the website and purchase a shampoo because it says let it grow and you want your hair to grow. So that is why I'm doing this video today, because it is extremely important that everybody is using the right product in order to get the best results. We do have a lot of people that are on the wrong products because they go right to the website, they don't consult with their market partner first, and they're just purchasing a shampoo not knowing what the results are going to be. So I want to educate you guys a little bit on this, and hopefully by the end of this video you will understand which one of these you will need to get the results that you're wanting for your hair type. So I'm going to go in the order of the most moisturizing to the least moisturizing. I figured that would kind of be easier, and you can just maybe skip to the area of the video depending on what you're needing for your hair. So the very first shampoo we're going to talk about right now is the Renu Shampoo. This shampoo is the most moisturizing shampoo that Monat offers. It is infused with the Rejuvenate oil, like all of these. Every single one of these have the Rejuvenate oil in it, but this has the most Rejuvenate oil in it. So it is going to help seal in the moisture, and it's really going to hydrate your hair. I would recommend this for anybody that has really dry, damaged, frizzy hair. If your hair is like overly processed, ethnic hair, it's amazing for ethnic hair. So those are the main hair types. Every once in a while, I will use it on my hair. I've got really fine hair. So if you've got fine hair, sometimes it might be a little bit too heavy, but if you find days that you're just needing a little extra moisture, you can use this, and you can alternate this with the other shampoos. So just to narrow that down, if you're somebody with dry, damaged, frizzy hair, ethnic hair, very thick, coarse hair, this is the shampoo for you right here. So that covers the first one. The second in line as far as moisture would be the black 2-in-1. So this right here is marketed towards men just because it is a 2-in-1, and men usually use a 2-in-1. So it's got a tiny bit of conditioner in it, but it's not enough conditioner to moisturize this hair right here. So I know a lot of people that I put this on, they're kind of taken back a little bit because they're like, well, it has a conditioner built in, so do I need an additional conditioner? Yes, you do need an additional conditioner. It is a very tiny amount that is in this right here. And if you've got hair longer than, if you're somebody that usually uses a conditioner in your hair, period, you're going to need a conditioner with this. This one right here, it's got 2 times the amount of Capixyl and Procataline. So those that are going to want to boost their growth a little faster maybe than using several of these other ones are also going to want to use this right here. I would recommend this for anybody that has normal to oily hair. If you've got like really dry, damaged hair that's breaking, I typically would not put somebody on this one right here unless they're alternating it with the Renu Shampoo. So this is really good if you've got a lot of scalp issues. So people that have like a really dry, flaky scalp, or someone that has like a really oily scalp, I would recommend this. And some people have got that combo hair. So some people have like a really oily scalp, but they've got really dry, damaged ends. So with somebody like that, I would put them on this, and then I would have them alternate it with the Renu Shampoo. So how you would do that is you would wash the first wash with this, and just in case you guys are not aware of this, you do wash twice in the shower whenever you're using the shampoos. So you would wash first with the black. You leave it in for about 2 to 3 minutes while you're in the shower. The first wash, you're probably not going to get a lot of suds at all. And usually, depending on how much buildup you have in the hair, it's going to depend on how much suds you get. I usually wash my hair maybe once every 5 days. So the very first wash I do, I don't have enough to lather throughout my hair. So I just kind of massage it into my scalp as good as I can, usually hardly any suds whatsoever. And let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. It's going to remove all the buildup and all the oils out of your hair. And then you're going to rinse that, and then you're going to use your second wash. And if it's this one, again, you can use this, or if you're going to alternate it with one of the other shampoos, you can alternate it. So for someone with like an oily scalp, like a lot of scalp issues, but a drier hair, I would say first wash with this, and then second wash with the Renu, just to kind of help add that hydration back into the mid-length to ends of your hair. So this one right here is what I use exclusively. I absolutely love this one. It's also going to help remove hard water deposits and just environmental, like, just anything that's kind of harsh on the hair. This one's going to do the best job as far as removing that. And a lot of you may know that hard water deposits actually contributes to having brassier hair. So people that have blonde hair, this actually helps brighten your hair, and it also removes those hard water deposits that are going to be the problem sometimes that creates that brassy tone to your hair. So it is a misconception that this tones hair. We've got a lot of people out there saying, oh, it's a toner, stop using your purple shampoo. Although I would recommend that you stop using your purple shampoo because those are really drying on the hair and they're not the best for your hair. This alone right here is not a toner, but it is going to remove anything that's causing brass in your hair, and it's going to do a really good job at brightening your hair. I've got another video that I can add where I can show you that a stylist, actually you can look right here, I'm going to put it up. You can see how the stylist is adding this to her client's hair and rubbing it in really well, and you can just see like the brassy tone just being removed from her hair. So it definitely will brighten up the blondes. The stuff is amazing for that. So the next shampoo in line is the Revive shampoo right here. This is a volume shampoo. People hear the word volume and they're jumping all over it. Everybody wants volume, right? Well, this one right here, it's awesome for volume. It does swell the strand at 3 times its natural size, so it's amazing. But like most volume shampoos on the market, it is going to be a little bit drying on your hair. So for my personal clients or my VIP customers, I recommend this only for people that have really oily, fine, limp hair. If somebody with a different hair type than that wants volume to their hair, I may put them on one of these two over here depending on what their hair type is, and then just give them a thickening styling product. But if you're somebody that has super thin hair and it's really fine and it's super oily, this would be perfect for you. If you're somebody that has really dry, damaged, over-processed hair, this would not be a good product for you. It is going to kind of remove some of that moisture out of your hair, and it is going to dry it out over time if you use it too much. If you want, just volume on occasion, then again, you can use this just on occasion, or you can even alternate it with the Renu shampoo over here. I just don't recommend this to be used all the time on somebody that has a drier hair type. But other than that, it's a great thickening shampoo for anyone that needs volume. And then last but not least, this is the one I mainly want to go over right here. This is the Intense Repair Treatment Shampoo, and this is part of our Let It Grow system. People see the word Let It Grow and everybody is jumping on this shampoo, and it is not for the everyday person. And this was the main reason why I'm doing this video today. We had a really big flash sale over the weekend, and I had a lot of new VIP customers enroll, and the first thing they did is contact me and they said, I want the Let It Grow system because I cut 2 inches off my hair and I want my hair to get long again. That is not what this is for right here. This shampoo is for people with intense scalp issues and not just the everyday scalp issues. If you're somebody that is completely bald, somebody that is like majorly losing their hair, like alopecia, if your hair is like really thin and short and like really, really oily, you can use this. If you are the everyday person and you just have a little bit of thinning, you want your hair to grow longer, do not use this shampoo right here. This shampoo is not made for this hair right here. It is made for your scalp, and it is very intense and it's very harsh, and it can be very drying. So that is not, just make sure you're not getting the shampoo just because the system says let it grow. I did have my mom on this shampoo, and I know some of you guys, if you've seen my other videos, you saw my mom's results. She had amazing results with this, but again, she was somebody that she could wash her hair and 4 hours later her hair was like, it was an oil pit. And she had, her hair was about probably to her chin, and it was so thin on top, I mean you could literally see her scalp. So we put her on this shampoo for about 4 months until she started growing her hair back, and then we switched her to the black right here. So these two are pretty much the same shampoo for the most part, but this has got the extra moisturizer in it, so it's not going to be so harsh and intense on your hair. So I just want to make it very clear to not purchase this shampoo just because you want hair growth. So just take this one out of the equation unless you have alopecia and your hair is literally completely bald and falling out. So that covers these 4 shampoos right here. Hopefully you guys understand those a little bit better, and I'll just kind of do a recap of that. This is the Renu shampoo, the most moisturizing. This is going to be made for dry, damaged, overly processed hair, very thick, coarse, ethnic hair. So that would be the product for you. The black right here, this is great for men that like 2-in-1 shampoos. This is great for blondes if you want just to kind of every once in a while, if you've got really dry blonde hair, you might want to use this just every once in a while just to kind of remove some of that hard water deposit, just to brighten your blonde. Or if you're somebody that has normal to oily hair, this is the perfect shampoo for you. If you've got scalp issues, if you've got that combo of oily scalp with dry ends, this is also the shampoo for you. You can use this as your first wash and alternate that with the Renu shampoo that's going to add hydration. This Revive shampoo right here, great for volume, great for people that have really fine, limp, really oily hair, or somebody that may on occasion just want to add a little extra volume to their hair and plump up their strands. This right here, very intense, not made for the everyday person. Great for anyone that's going through chemotherapy, somebody that has alopecia, or severe hair loss. So that sums those up. Next we have the Deep Smoothing Conditioner, which is this one. I find that this is the heaviest and most moisturizing conditioner that we have. This is what I use on my daughter's hair. I don't use it on my hair because I need like a really light conditioner, but anybody that has like thick, coarse, curly hair, or really dry, damaged hair, especially if you like to straighten it and you like it to look smooth, this is a great conditioner for that. The next conditioner we have is the Intense Repair Conditioner. I believe that they came out with this conditioner right here because the shampoo was so harsh. So they came out with this conditioner, which is extremely moisturizing. This is great for anyone that has really dry, damaged hair, or any of people that just need a lot of moisture added to their hair. So this is an amazing conditioner right here. And then very last but not least, we've got the Revitalized Conditioner. This goes with the Revive system, which is the volume system. And it's a very lightweight conditioner. So anyone that just needs kind of a lighter conditioner for their hair, you know, it doesn't even matter which shampoo you're using, but if you're just somebody that doesn't need a whole lot of moisture and a whole lot of conditioning, this is amazing for those people right there. So hopefully with that little, what is this, like a 14-minute video so far? Hopefully with this information right here, you guys are going to get the right product for your hair type. Sometimes it does take a little bit of trial and error to figure out which product, and sometimes it even takes alternating. I used to do the Renew with this, and now I'm just using this exclusively. It's been amazing on my hair. But keep in mind, Monat does offer 30-day money back on all of their products. You get a 100% refund. So if you use a product for 25 days and you absolutely hate it and it's not for you, you can return it minus the shipping, and you can get a refund on it, and you can try something else. So it's really important, and it's pretty cool that they do that, because if you get a product from your stylist, you're not going to be able to return it for a refund. It's great that they do offer that. And then also just keep in mind that some people's hair may go through a transition period. So depending on what you're currently using, if you've got a lot of wax and you have a lot of silicone buildup in your hair, and you're somebody new to Monat and you just started using it, and maybe it's been a week or or two in and your hair just does not feel right, but you are 100% sure you are using the correct shampoo, then it is possible that the products are pulling out whatever that buildup is on your hair, and it may make your hair feel like a little more tangled or like it has a little extra buildup in it until it gets everything pulled out. So these products are designed to get your hair back to its natural state. So a lot of us that are using other products on the market, we've got so much silicone and so much wax in our hair that we don't even know what our natural hair is supposed to feel like. We've been using these products for so many years and our hair always looks so shiny and feels smooth, but you guys have no idea the damage that is going on underneath all that buildup. So these are going to remove that buildup. It's going to remove the silicones, it's going to remove that wax, it's going to get your hair back to its natural state, and then it's going to start working and it's going to get your hair back to health. That is what it's designed to do. That is what the Rejuvenique oil that all of these are infused with is designed to do. It's penetrating through your hair strands and it's literally going to heal your hair. It's going to help follicles. Anything that's clogging your follicles, it's going to be removed. The new hair growth that comes through is going to be stronger and healthier, and overall your hair is going to be in amazing shape if you can just continue with getting through that transition. If you can just give it 30 days, I promise you guys, it will be amazing. Some people, it may take even a little bit longer than 30 days, but typically 30 days will get your hair back in shape. And not everybody's going to go through that transition. I have a load, probably 96 VIP customers, and I think out of all those 96 VIP customers, I had one person that kind of went through a little bit of an oily stage for a couple of weeks while her pH levels were getting regulated in her scalp, and now everything's back to normal. So hopefully you guys understand everything. I am here to answer any questions. Make sure you always consult with your market partner before making any purchases. And if you're still unsure about what you're asking them, if maybe you feel like you're not getting the correct information, I'm always here to help. So just comment below, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will always be putting up informational videos and experiments and all that. So I really appreciate you guys watching this video because I really want to get the knowledge out there so people are using the right hair products. And hope you guys have a lovely day, and I will see you in the next video. Talk to you guys later. Bye.